example, Boston Dynamics Spot Robot utilizes AI for navigation and task execution, showcasing the integration of advanced software algorithms with robotic hardware to perform complex tasks autonomously. These examples highlight the diverse applications of AI and machine learning in enhancing hardware and system software capabilities. If you have specific areas of interest or further questions, feel free to ask.
So tell me, in layman's term, what is edge computing and why should businesses care?
Edge computing refers to the practice of processing data closer to where it is generated, the edge, rather than relying solely on a centralized data center. This means that instead of sending all data to a cloud server for processing, some of the processing occurs on local devices or servers. Why should businesses care? 1. Reduce latency. Since data is processed closer to its source, responses are faster. This is crucial for applications like real-time analytics, autonomous vehicles, or remote surgeries. 2. Bandwidth savings. By processing data locally, businesses can reduce the amount of data sent to the cloud, saving on bandwidth costs and improving overall network efficiency. 3. Improve reliability. Edge computing can continue to operate even if the connection to the central server is lost, providing greater reliability for critical applications. 4. Enhance security. Keeping sensitive data closer to its source can reduce exposure to potential breaches during data transmission, improving overall security. 5. Scalability. As businesses grow and generate more data, edge computing allows them to scale their operations without overwhelming central servers. In summary, edge computing helps businesses operate more efficiently, respond faster, and improve security, making it an important consideration for modern operations.
So how can businesses get edge computing? Is it done by the software? Is it done by the hardware? Where do they purchase it and who should they go to? What specific vendors will provide edge computing?
Edge computing typically involves a combination of hardware and software. Here's how business solutions. These platforms help deploy and manage applications on edge devices. 3. Consulting and integration. Some businesses may require help with integration and deployment. Consulting firms and system integrators can assist in designing and implementing an edge computing strategy. Businesses should assess their specific needs and consult with vendors or experts to find the right mix of hardware and software solutions for their edge computing initiatives. Any specific area you'd like to explore further?
To implement edge computing, businesses typically need a combination of hardware and software solutions. Here's a summary of the key components and steps. 1. Hardware. Businesses need edge devices which can include sensors, gateways, and local servers. These devices handle data processing and analytics closer to the source. 2. Software. Edge computing platforms and applications are essential for managing and deploying services on these devices. This software can include data analytics tools and machine learning frameworks. 3. Vendors. Businesses can purchase edge computing solutions from various vendors, such as Cisco offers edge computing solutions that integrate networking and security. Hewlett-Packard Enterprise (HPE) provides edge computing hardware and software solutions. IBM offers edge computing services with a focus on AI and analytics. Microsoft Azure provides cloud services with edge computing capabilities through Azure Edge. Amazon Web Services (AWS) offers services like AWS Greengrass for edge computing applications. 4. Consulting and integration. Some businesses may need assistance with designing and implementing their edge computing strategies. Consulting firms and system integrators can provide expertise in integrating edge solutions into existing systems. Businesses should assess their specific needs and consult with these vendors or experts to find the right mix of hardware and software solutions for their edge computing initiatives. If you need more details on any specific vendor or solution, let me know.
Or if there's anything else on your mind, feel free to ask.
So security software, is that considered application software or system software? And give me examples.
Security software is generally considered application software. It is designed to perform specific tasks related to protecting systems and data rather than managing the hardware or operating system itself. Examples of security software. 1. Antivirus software. Programs like Norton, McAfee, and Bitdefender that detect and remove malware. 2. Firewall software. Applications such as O'Neillerman Windows Firewall that monitor and control incoming and outgoing network traffic. 3. Encryption software. Tools like VeraCrypt and BitLocker that secure data by converting it into a coded format. 4. Intrusion detection systems IDS. Software like Snort that monitors network traffic for suspicious activity. 5. VPN software. Applications such as NordVPN and ExpressVPN that create secure connections over the internet. These applications help safeguard data and systems from various security threats. If you need more information on a specific type of security software, let me know.
Or if there's anything else you'd like to explore, just ask away.
So application software, what should I be concerned about as a business?
When considering application software for your business, several key factors should be taken into account. 1. Compatibility. Ensure that the software is compatible with existing systems and hardware to avoid integration issues. 2. Scalability. Choose software that can grow with your business needs, allowing for additional users or features as required. 3. Security. Assess the security features of the software, including data encryption, user authentication, and compliance with relevant regulations e.g. GDPR HIPAA. 4. User experience. Consider the user interface and ease of use, as this can impact employee productivity and training time. 5. Support and maintenance. Evaluate the vendor's support services, including customer service, updates, and maintenance options. 6. Cost. Analyze the total cost of ownership, including initial purchase, licensing fees, and ongoing maintenance costs. 7. Customization. Determine if the software can be customized to meet specific business needs or workflows. 8. Integration. Check if the software can integrate with other tools and applications your business uses, such as CRM or ERP systems. 9. Performance. Look for performance benchmarks or case studies to ensure the software can handle your business's workload efficiently. 10. Vendor reputation. Research the vendor's reputation, including reviews and case studies from other businesses in your industry. Considering these factors will help you make informed decisions when selecting application software for your business. If you need more details on any specific aspect, let me know.
No. Thank you. We'll talk later.
Now I'm going to save it into my Pixar account. So I'm selecting Save first, and then take the previous Pixar file name and tap it gently to get it into the file name field. Then I'm going to increment it from version F, which was the previous version, to the next version, which will be the next letter
G.
after F in the
G.
American alphabet, which is G, and delete the F. And now I got myself a new folder, and I may want to record the current time, but I'm afraid that it may not be sufficient space for the length of the file name, but I will try and see
Maybe just overwrite the last
if
time.
it stops. So I'm putting a dash on the previous time,
Which was
and
what?
then I add 10.40. So 10.40 in space, and I got myself the current time and PM to indicate that it's post midnight
It's not post midnight.
space. Okay, and now I would like to capture this entire file name and drop it in my notes. So I'm going to tap on the Save As first input field, then the last Save As dialog in the last input field. Right mouse click and copy to the clipboard buffer. And then I noticed,
After copying the file,
that it changed the file name on me. So I'm going to have to go back and paste the file name, the correct file name, by Control V.
Is it the right
And
one?
now I got version G as I wanted, and now I click the Save button and pray. And it looked like it worked, so I want to click on the Review Additional Details to see how many steps was that. Then I scroll up, and then I noticed that this was 3 steps. So as I start a new recording, by pressing the new recording button, I'm going to add a comment with the previous file name. So I click the Add Comment button, and then I click on the dialog box, highlight area and comment, place the focus of the cursor on it, and right mouse click and paste the file name and enter. So I can review the beginning and the end and click OK to confirm.
It sounds like you're effectively documenting your process by adding comments with the previous file name. This will help in keeping track of versions and any changes made. If you need further assistance or have questions about your documentation process, let me know.
That's right, and I would also like to show how I'm talking to 800 Kolani. As you can see, 800 Kolani, that is what I specified. And you see how it stops now, trying to entice me to go.
Right.
So I click maybe later and let it continue.
So what do you think about the documentation process? That's called ChatGPT, isn't it?
I want to go to the top. Now if I'm going to stop ChatGPT, which I'm going to do, since we already exceeded 25 minutes,
So
I'm going to click the red button,
the hang up button.
and then you will see the number appearing here in the corner, okay?
Fine.
So I'm going to click it.
And I don't see it.
It takes time until it will display here.
Okay, that's
And
November.
when it does,
Okay.
let's make it a little smaller now. And let's
Here
scroll
it
here,
is. Here it
800.
ended. Right.